Hey, what's going on, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, which will be October 7th. The SPY hanging out near all-time highs again. Very impressive strength in the overall market. Let me slide this over. This is just for new folks. Please pause the video and read it. I'll take it off now and just summarize this reminder to everybody. We're day traders. So we start with daily charts that are in play recently or morning gappers as well, which are also in play that day. And then we look for intraday setups, and I'm in cash every night, right? So I'm a tried and true actual day trader by the definition of it, by not holding overnight. All right, so that said, I'll just cover a couple calls that I made on Friday for those that did make it to do. And the CAPR has just been stupid strong, right? I'll go to 5-minute candles, and I mentioned it over the mic right in this area where these two lines are. When we got two different things converging, two different things I should emphasize that we look for trades, right? When you got two or more, it's always a little more powerful. And there you had the 20, excuse me, EMA on 5-minute candles, and you had VWAP right in that area, and that's an area that I pointed out where it could bounce, and it did certainly bounce nicely from there. Again, that one is a crazy strong stock. And then I also mentioned PEV over 93. For reasons I gave in chat, I'm not going to go into here, but it went all the way to $1.16. But for the purpose of I've got stuff to do, I'm going to go into what we're watching. Oh, I'll leave this on. PEV is one of them, right? What are we watching for Monday for possible trades? Certainly a massive breakout on crazy volume, so that one goes on watch. ACMR gapped up, sold off intraday, but ended up going out near the high, so that certainly could have a follow-through day tomorrow. JOBY. I wish this would have closed stronger, but I'm liking the looks of this chart. What was it? $500 million investment by Toyota, which popped it here. Then it looked like it was rolling over and then kind of working its way right back up. One of my favorite charts going into Monday. NNE, I've been talking about this space for like 2 weeks, right? The small nuclear reactor, whatever they're called, they're going to be, it looks like, providing energy for data centers because of AI, right? We've had interest already from, Amazon and Microsoft, I think. A couple big names, right? Talking about nuclear. I don't know if they were talking about these small reactors or not, but this certainly is a space that is catching people's eyes, and you can see it in the charts. So the three of those, I'll always group them together. NNE is going to be on watch, SMR is going to be on watch, and OKLO is going to be on watch. And then let's go into some China. Well, this is a China play, NA, which China plays have been stupid strong. This had this crazy move here, and then it's kind of flagging. Maybe if it rips to $1 on volume, might be an interesting entry. DJT is starting to shape up. Got really decimated, and then nice little climb, and it's sort of starting to curl back up here. So that one goes on watch. FORD, not to be confused with the car company, but a very low float stock, had a big gap. And an okay close, but still a nice green candle on Friday. Could have a follow-through day. SERV starting to show another little pop. It did one back here. I think this whole run was because NVIDIA invested in them, if I'm not mistaken. And then now it's kind of gone sideways. It's found a comfortable price range, but it seems like it's trying to break out of that range, so we're going to watch that one. CHSN, massive move on Friday, but if you were there, you saw that the move was made via the goofy halt rule, right? I've always said, if I ever meet the man or woman who came up with that volatility halt rule, I'm going to kick him or her in the nuts. And in the year 2024, that's more feasible than ever, even it's a him or a her, right? So anyway, but back to the daily. Still had a huge move. And the more days it stays up, the less apt, due to calculations, that it will halt intraday. So anyway, that one goes on watch. UXIN, I think, is another Chinese stock, just crazy strong again. I mean, it's really extended, but it goes on watch. EH, kind of day one of a breakout if you put the horizontal line at resistance here, right? And that's another Chinese stock, one of those EVTOL plays, which are like drones that carry people, right? Anyway, that one could have a follow-through day. And then I'm going to put LASE, L-A-S-E, back on watch. We had a crazy move, and now we're down 4 days in a row. That's not a handsome chart, but it could give a nice snapback bounce because of this crazy move, and now it's all the way back down here. So I'm putting it on bounce watch, and that's it. I will see you guys in pre-market on Monday, which is tomorrow morning, and hopefully some of you can help me build a gap playlist as well. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys in chat.